Right, here's the field now for the state championship class 3A, the 4x100. Again, a call for section 2, 3200s. Naperville, Nicola Valley in 1. The Maroons of Belleville West in 2. The Griffins of Lincoln Way East, Frankfort in 3. The Evanston Wildcats in 4. In the middle is Homewood Flossmoor, the Vikings from South Cook County in 5. Bolingbrook, the Raiders, will be in 6. The Rock Island Rocks in 7. Belleville East, the Lancers out in 8. And the Blue Devils of Gurnee, Warren, Lake County out in 9. In the middle here, you got Homewood Flossmoor. That's No Kenquo. And Rock Island running strong. Mystique Thompson to Lucretia Linton. And right now we got another burst in the middle that looks like Bolingbrook. Bolingbrook is Jessica Watkins. Now there is Bolingbrook again on the outside. You got Bolingbrook again battling Rock Island into the anchors. Bolingbrook, this is Kim Azy and Aaliyah Brown out in lane 3. Here comes Bolingbrook, Rock Island, and Homewood Flossmoor together. The win to Bolingbrook, and we're going to go to 3. It looks like Bolingbrook with a 46.58. Lincoln Way East and Aaliyah Brown come into second. Flossmoor, Homewood Flossmoor third with a 47.72. We go to the award stand.